Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to create a quick submissions report using the DataTable DS control, which is available in the developer and platinum versions of the calculated fields form. The report will showcase key information collected by the lease calculator form, specifically the form with ID 5. First, we'll set up a new form and add a record set DS field to pull submissions from Form 5. Once that's in place, the next step is to insert the DataTable DS field. This field is designed to display the pertinent details from the record set. As you configure it, take a moment to enable features that allow you to sort rows or focus on specific entries within the table. The final step involves embedding this form onto a website page. For the sake of convenience, the form will be inserted into the same lease calculator form page. To add an extra layer of security, we take one final step, restricting access to this report solely to administrators. This is accomplished using the user's permissions add-on, ensuring that only administrators can view and interact with the report. And with that, your quick report, accessible only to administrators, is complete.